everyone, I have the Baby Go Dewy Baby Go Freckle pen right here, and I think faux freckles are so cute. I've been wanting to try the Freck pen for so long, and I just can't justify purchasing that because of the price. So I found this one. This one's supposed to be waterproof and long wear. And I have a few freckles on my face. I've got freckles right here by my eyebrow. I have some freckles on my eyelids and a couple of very light freckles on the front of my nose. And I want to see if I can add to them with this. Let's see how this is going to look. Oh no. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try it this way. Okay, that actually worked better putting it on my finger in a random pattern than putting it on. I actually think this is really cute. Oh, I like this a lot. I am having fun with my faux freckle pen. I have a freckle in the middle of my nose, and now it looks not lonely. I look ridiculously freckled. I'm going to play around with this and see what I can do. Let me see what would happen if I powder over this. I really want it to look a lot more natural than it does. What do you think? I think it's cute. I don't know if I'd wear this out, but it's cute. I mean, I have freckles. I have freckles anyway, but now I've got a lot more freckles. Just don't know if it looks like little natural freckles or not. I'm not sure. I'll play around with it. There's one other thing I want to try for freckles though. I want to see if I can use this to make freckles. Let me get a pen. Okay, so freckles are often a cool tone, so let's see if I can get this to do freckles. Let's see what happens. Let me put So this will double as a freckle pen with an eyeliner brush. This is the Sachu Skin Tint. Super cool. I have 2 options for freckles now, and I'm really happy about it. I look like a leopard with spots, but I think it's cute. If you like this, please give me a like and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and like my little shorts. Bye-bye.